Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today me and Lay are back with another video. So you guys, this is a quick and easy, very simple wig install I did on Lay. And when I say how it's easy, it is easy. We did minimal edges and everything. So right now she's looking like a runaway slave. So all you want to do is gel your edges back so you don't want to get no glue in it really. But you gel them back or whatever. Then you put the ball cap on. I put the ball cap on with different products. It's really whatever I have because honestly anything can work. After you put down your ball cap, all you want to do is cut off the excess cap, and then I put level 16, I want to say, in Ruby Kisses cream foundation on the cap. And after I did that, I cleaned up the forehead, and that's when I applied the wig. So this right here, y'all, this some lace tint that I was experimenting with that I made myself. I'm debating on if I want to sell it or not, but y'all see it's very pigmented. It actually good. It blended with her skin very well. But I know you guys are probably going to ask in the comments, so I'm finna let y'all know now. It was something that I was playing around with. It wasn't nothing that I bought from anybody. The glue I used was Boho Active, y'all. This video is kind of old. I can't remember how many layers I used, but it was 3 to 4, I'm gonna say, because that's the amount I usually use. One thing that I did notice when I edited the video is that for some reason the lace did look lighter on the video, but in person it really didn't. I don't know if that's because like my ring light was too bright or what, but I'm gonna try to get some natural lighting pictures for y'all like next time or in the future or whatever, so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. Also, we felt like the wig wasn't thick enough, so what I did was went in and sewed it in an extra bundle. I'm finna show y'all like a little bit of me sewing it in. It's really not much to it, but I know a lot of people in the comments be asking me how I do certain stuff, so I kind of did show y'all. So first thing you want to do is like part out a part in the wig, and I parted right between 2 tracks, and I usually quadruple my tracks, like how some people double it. I just sew it in quadruple, which is 4 tracks. You know, some people act like they ain't gonna know what I'm saying, but I just did that. After you sew it down going across one time, you part out another section, and then you can either cut it or flip it over like I did and sew it down. It's in the back of the wig and it's a curly wig. It's gonna be flat. You can use this method for a straight wig too. As long as you do it right, it's gonna be flat. If you don't feel like it's gonna be flat when you quadruple it, just double it or just single it. Like, do it to where you know your client won't be walking around looking like they got a helmet on their head. So y'all, the look we end up going for today was just a flip over because we like big and messy hair kind of. So we just flipped it over, kind of hot combed it to make sure everything look right. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think and what other videos you guys want to see. Make sure you guys follow me, or make sure to link my socials in the caption. But yeah.